How to do Utthita Trikonasana. Let's understand the meaning of Utthita Trikonasana. Utthita means extended. Trikon is a triangle. Asana is the pose or posture. What are the benefits of this pose? A very effective pose for the health of your spine. It helps you give you a lot of flexibility in your hamstring, back of the knee, overall back of the legs. Who should avoid doing this pose? The people, those who have injury in the hamstring or a groin injury, should avoid doing this pose. So let's start. So you need a block with you in order to place your palm on the block. You can do without that also, but if you're a beginner, I would suggest you to do this, or an intermediate practitioner. It all depends on you. So you are standing in the center of the mat. Make sure you're standing into Samasthiti. Each and every toe, your each and every finger is well and spread. From here, you bring your palms in front of the chest. You are bending your knees like Utthita legs. Inhale and exhale. You are separating your legs apart. 3.5 to 4 feet distance. Now, when you're here into this position, watch that the both foot should be parallel to each other. You are tucking your both foot in to 30 degrees. Now hold the waist, tuck the tailbone down. You are not pushing the hip back. Now again, rolling the shoulders. From here, we are taking out the right foot out 90 degree. Now make sure, I want the right heel and the middle arch should be in a line. Okay. Now again, we are rolling the shoulders, pulling the knees, pulling the thighs up. Back foot comes into 30 degrees in, or you can take it more to 40-45 degrees in, depends on different people. Now be more firm here. Now extend your right arm up towards the ceiling. Get a deep stretch from the sides of the trunk till your finger. Create a good opening here. Then when you will be going towards the right side in Utthita Trikonasana, make sure the back leg should be firm, the outer foot firmly pressing on the ground, the whole foot firmly pressing on the ground. Now, engaging the knees, engaging the thigh, with an exhalation, start to go towards the right side. Keep going. Make sure when you're going towards the right side, I repeat, the back foot should be firm. Keep going, and then you are holding the block, or you can hold your ankle, depends on you. Now, the right side of the trunk and the right side of the leg should be in a line, very important. And then when you are here, create a lot of opening in the left thigh. Left thigh moves outward. The right thigh moves outward, facing towards the toe. This one facing towards the outer side. Create an opening and roll the shoulder. Back foot firm, I repeat, don't make it loose. Otherwise, you'll take whole body weight on the right leg. Back foot firmly pressing down. Open up the chest again. And then at very last, left arm up towards the ceiling into Utthita Trikonasana. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more yoga tutorials.